Hi guys, so today again we came with another informative video also. So today we will show you lentil soup, how you will make at your home. So for this we already took all this ingredient. Many of our subscriber asks or tell us how we will make lentil soup at home. So for this we already took all this ingredient. Like for example, we took already this lentil. We have to soak before half hour this one, okay? And we took like normally this onion, tomato, this green coriander for garnish, ginger, garlic like this, and also lemon. We took this oil, and also in spices we took like salt to taste, pepper, black pepper to taste, and this turmeric only one half a spoon, okay, and this little cumin powder half a spoon, okay. And then we took like grinder also. We need to grind this will be done, so we have to grind this. And we need corn flour. This optional. If you want to more thickness, to give thickness to your lentil soup, so you should put. If no need, so no need put. This optional yani. So all this ingredient we need to make this our delicious lentil soup at home. So I will show you step by step. Please see it till last. First, what we will do? First, we have to saute. We have to soak our lentil before half hours. Then we will put here in our pan, and then together with onion and tomato, ginger, garlic, boil. Then we have to grind here, and then we will put this our all spices in this pan, okay. So I will show you. Please see this video till last. You will find how you will make in easy steps. If you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So I hope you will do like this. So let's start, and I will show you step by step everything, okay. So let's start now. So to make this lentil soup, I already soaked before half hour this our lentil, okay, and I already cut this onion and this tomato, and I already took this pan, and here already put the little oil, okay. We have to little saute over this lentil, and this one they will put water here, okay. So we have to wait for heat this, then we will put over this item all, okay. So our oil already heated, so we put now this our onion and tomato like this, okay. Big size you can put like this, and I remove this our water, and you put this your lentil also. So have to mix and put here turmeric, little salt, pepper, and have to boil till 10 to 15 minutes. Then we have to grind it, okay. So I will show you. So here I already put little salt, pepper, little turmeric, and also this our cumin powder. So we have to mix and have to cover this and boil till maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Then we have to, when this will be done, so we have to grind it, okay. So we have to wait for this. So I already cover it and have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes, okay. When this will be done, we have to grind it, okay. 15 minutes finished, we have to check our lentils. So wow, so this is already done, already cooked. So lentil done. So we have to grind now this. We have to make pulp, and then we will put here, and we have to grind this, okay. So we have to put here in our grinder this. So I already put in grinder this our lentil, and have to grind now, okay. So we have to grind here and have to grind, okay. I will show you. We already grinded our this lentil, see. So we have to transfer in bowl, and now this is ready to serve. So we have to put again in bowl, and we'll serve. So I transfer in another again in this pan, and have to cook again 5 minutes like this. It's already done, see. The color and also texture of lentil soup like this should be thickness. If no have thickness, you put corn flour as I show you before. So this is thickness have here. So 5 minutes you cook, then we have to serve this. Okay, I will show you. Now this 5 minutes finished, so our soup is done. See, the texture and also color should be like this. Thickness should be like this. So now we have to serve now. You can put little lemon juice. I already put here lemon juice little. Okay, we have to serve now, okay. So our delicious lentil soup is ready now to serve. Like this, I already put this lemon juice here, and also garnish like this. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need video. So we will come with another informative video also. I hope you enjoy this recipe. So you should try at your home. So I hope you will do like this, and also still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So I hope you will do like this. So we will come with another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.